My knowledge for Forex is practically nil. The best thing, it's hard to say. There are a lot of good things there. It is a complete package what appealed to me. It is the mindset, it is the backup material you get, both work documents in paper and digitally. I like the team. I like the fact that you are dealing with strategies and with formats, with mindsets and so on. Yes, as I just mentioned, I go. It is you get a complete package. I liked the fact that it's all over. You get the mindset, you get the paper, you get a lot of information, but you get totally confused. So that's for sure. But you get the digital material and the team behind you to back you up, and so it will be worthwhile to you.